going to the bigger unit, which is the BayCreek. So what we saw was there, it was downstairs. Now we're going to the upstairs, which is supposed to be the BayCreek, the bigger models. Clusia. This is the middle entryway of these two buildings. Unlocked. So it's up and down, two-story. This should be the main living area. This is nice. Open floor plan. Good amount of space in the dining area. Same time, it's master bedroom. The ceiling is, I believe, these are 8-foot doors. So 9 foot. Yeah, these are 9 foot, maybe 9.5. Yeah, the height is good. Maybe 10 foot. I'm not sure. So these are 7 footers, right? 8, 9, 9.5, I think. Yeah, not quite 10. Well, the bathrooms looks outdated already, especially the tiles. These tiles now. Here one vanity, here one vanity. Living area is good. It's very open. Balcony also very good amount of space. This is the view for this building. This is the model house. So textured finish. This is also steel, no ductile. Yeah, cabins are cheap. This is the other bath. Steps are small. It's a laundry. This is one bedroom. This is another bedroom. Ceiling height is throughout 9.5 foot, which is great. Okay, close it. So bathrooms are all carpet. This is a little more space. This bedroom. So 3 bed, 2 bath on this floor. Let's go down and see. So there is some good ceiling height here. It's a double ceiling. Maybe 1 bedroom. Oh no, this is the garage. Oh, this is the garage. Yeah, maybe 1.5 car garage. So that's it. Both are 3 bed, 2 bath, but this is a little more spacious. Alright. This is 400.